Alright guys, we're going to learn about two different multiplication strategies today. You've already had some practice with partial product and the standard US algorithm, but these are some more visual ways to multiply. So the first one we're going to talk about is called box, and we're going to do the problem 17 times 22. And if you look at how I've set this up, I've broken apart our numbers by place value. So 10 and 7 is 17, and 20 and 2 is 22. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look to see where the numbers meet, kind of like in a multiplication chart. So 17 and 20 obviously meet in this box, so I would do 20 times 7, which I can forget about my 0 and then tack it on at the end later, and that gives me 140. Right? Then I can do 10 times 20, that gives me 200. I can do 10 times 2, which is 20, and then I can do 7 times 2, which is 14. Now, to get my answer, all I need to do is add these four numbers. So you should end up with 374 as your answer for that. So this is real similar to partial product. You're still multiplying the same numbers, you're just setting it up a little bit different. Okay, and our next strategy is called lattice multiplication, and this one is my favorite strategy. So the way we've set it up, you see I've got 17 and 22. I'm not listing the value of each digit, but I am separating each digit. So I draw my 4-square box, and then I've got diagonal lines running through my corners. So in order to do this, I'm going to do the same thing I did over here, where I look to see where they meet. So if I've got 7 and 2, those are going to meet in this box right here. And I know 7 times 2 is 14, so my ones, or my tens digit goes in the top triangle, and my ones digit in the bottom triangle. And then I'm going to fill in the rest of my squares. If I don't have a tens digit, I just put a 0 there. Okay. So then, all I need to do is add down these sort of diagonal lines that have been created for me. So, if I've got a 4 here, okay, and then I've got 4 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2, and my answer is 374. So, I'd like you to try one of these strategies, or you may choose to try both, but I want you to try and see if you can figure out the answer to 27 times 34. Make sure you do that on your extra paper beside your video form. Okay? I will see you guys tomorrow.